So right now, there is a fear everywhere in the SAP community, in the SAP world. People are scared. They think AI is coming to take their jobs. Let me say this clearly to all of you. AI is not taking your job. AI is taking the boring part of your job, the parts you never liked anyway. In 2026, SAP has changed how work happens. Earlier, we focused on how do I do this transaction. Today, we focus on what results do we want. For example, earlier you asked, how do I create a credit memo? Now you say, fix this customer issue. That's called intent driven AI. But this creates a big question. If the system is doing the work, then what is the consultant's value? Let me explain that clearly. This is where the agent stops and where the human starts. Welcome to the collaborative AI. So here is what happens. For the last few years, AI was like Google inside SAP. You asked questions, it answered, it explained the T codes, it summarized the meeting, that's it. That was read only AI. Today, Joule agents can act, they have write access. So let me give you a real example. A truck delivers less materials than promised. Customer complaints. In the olden days, you checked EWM system, then SD, then billing, then FI, right? So 3 hours gone. Today, the agent sees the short shipment automatically. It checks the warehouse data, it matches the invoice, it prepares a credit memo request on its own. It doesn't wait for you, it executes. This is the action SAP promised. Now let's pause here. Does this mean SAP runs without humans? No, not at all, right? Because real business needs control. Every serious agent has safety rules. For example, if the refund is small, the agent can handle it. If the refund is more than $2,000, the agent stops. It sends you a message on Fury. It says, "Hey, I checked the issue. I suggested a discount. Do you approve?" The agent does the homework. You make the decision, right? So in 2026, you are not typing the data, you are approving decisions, you are the final authority. Now let's be honest. What can AI never do? AI can find the fastest delivery route, but it cannot calm an angry customer. See, if your biggest client calls shouting, right? AI can send an email update, but it cannot talk, it cannot listen, it cannot negotiate. AI does not feel that pressure, it does not understand trust, it cannot decide. Let's take a small, it cannot decide that let's take a small loss today to keep this customer for 10 years, right? That decision is human. The AI agent handles logic. You handle judgment. It is your value. If your value is only logic, you are competing with machines, and machines will win for sure. So, what should you say instead? What should you say in the interviews when they ask you how will AI change your SD team? You say this: my role is changing. I don't execute every step. I set rules for the agents. I decide what is safe. I handle exceptions. I protect the business when things go wrong. That answers tell them you think like a leader, not like a ticket solver, right? Now, listen this carefully, guys. Machines will do the routine work. People who think will do the important work. So that boardroom belongs to that strategist, not the button clickers. If you don't learn how to work with agents, you will be left behind. Please do subscribe, hit the bell icon. I'm your AmanBhai, a next AI guy. I don't just teach SAP, I teach you how to stay relevant. See you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.